As a plumbing business owner, do you want to show up in Google Map rankings so you can get daily call volume? If that's you, then over the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you something revolutionary that we've done since 2018 to help plumbers get up in ranking and stay there without ad spend.
My God, with no ads.
No ads, no TGS.
For those of you who don't know me, my name's Nolan Walker. I own a company named Plumbing Webmasters. For over a decade, we've helped over 250 plumbers get up in ranking and stay there so that they can get that daily call volume from Google, Bing, and AI search. Best of all, there's no ad spend required. I always say people up in map ranking on Google aren't up there because they're big because they're up there. I want to say too, they're not spending money on the ad spend. They work on their digital brand, but it doesn't cost much to do that. What costs a lot is to pay for every single click. You want to be up in map ranking so you can show up organically and get daily call volume. It's the best ROI and it's available no matter who you are.
Isn't it funny how life works?
Watch what we're going to show you and we'll help you see how to get up there in rankings. So how to rank on Google's local map 3-pack, and really as high as you can get, as many words as you can get. So I want to go into some stuff and I'm going to talk about pins, data pins on every job, and we're going to talk about digital branded signaling. So I want you to understand that you're a digital brand. Most people, I don't want you to create a negative narrative of you not getting up in ranking or how much money somebody spends to do this or that. Most of these guys are up in ranking because Google doesn't have anybody better to show. So you can have some pretty poor quality web efforts up in Pack3 map ranking just because they've been doing it for a while. I like to call it a horse race. You can have a horse on the track and you can begin to run faster. Most people are remiss with their Google organic rankings. They'll fight a little bit, but they don't really understand it. So here's what I'm going to tell you. If you pin every day with something like a data pin, so data pins allows you to grab the geo coordinate, wrap it in something called a schema code. It doesn't matter, but Google sees a digital hand raise. To you, it looks like a red pin drop. To Google, it looks like, hey, I'm a plumber and I did a job here today. Now, in a 60-second action on an app, it's going to pin this to your Google map. They're going to see the caption and the photos. The client's going to get a text asking for a review. But the more important thing, even if the client doesn't leave a review, you've placed that geo coordinate on your website and what you did with some photos. This is great digital branded signaling. So you've all of a sudden at least 10 times your digital brand with legitimate digital brand signaling that creates a great user experience. What you can't do is go throw in 10 blogs a day or 3 blogs a day. This is trash content, it'll get you penalized. But if you talk about the Navy and tankless water heater, the front yard line leak, the hydrojetting, and all these things, those keywords aren't used as much, and it'll get you low-hanging fruit, all this extra stuff quickly, and it'll signal your brand 10 times with legitimate stuff. I keep saying legitimate stuff because you can't spam them. It's got to be good stuff for the consumer. So if somebody's got a front yard line leak, if they need a trenchless job done and you talk about it, you're probably the only guy that validated the work in your service market in the first place. So remember, you're a digital brand. If you'll send out digital branded signaling, you'll be atop the 1 percentile of plumbers doing this. Google still gets basically nothing but old school spam, and most websites aren't fit to show anybody. They show the best they can. If you'll come onto the scene and say, I'm a digital brand that's going to send out great content for a great user experience, then Google will say, we're going to show this guy because when people come to Google, we want to show them the best plumbers in the market. In fact, that's what they're for. They want to show you in map rankings. They want to show you in organic rankings. Data pins helps with this. We still do all the other essential SEO items, but that alone isn't enough anymore. And the other things that digital marketing agencies used to do, like blogs that nobody wants to read, will carry a penalty, or just slamming links into the website. So in this case, you're posting to the website, creating a great user experience, and Google sees every job that you do, which is fantastic digital brand signaling. It coincides with user intent, user search, and you'll start to pop up in rankings quick. Guys, this is the best ROI. We'd love to help you with it. If you're interested, my team and I'd love to help you out. Just comment data pins and we'll reach out to you.